Good morning, it's the 24th of December, and as promised, I'm going to take you behind the scenes in the shop to see how busy we actually are. Since my last video, things have changed. The streets are not as we would expect in December. Normally in December, this would be a hustle and bustle of last-minute shopping. But obviously now, with all the changes that we've had with COVID and all the restrictions, people are staying at home, so we're still just as busy, but over the app. So come with me, we're going to go and see behind the scenes, and we're going to check this unique 2020 December. Right, that was a bit of behind the scenes for Christmas 2020. A bit different to other Christmases and not what I expected when I planned to do this video. But at least we are really grateful that we have the opportunity to sell online, and we have that. Some places don't have that, so we're really glad that we can do that. I'd like to wish you all a really happy Christmas from all of us at Piece of Cake. So I'll see you next year in 2021. Hopefully we'll bring better things. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in January.